What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we are going to be discussing the 1950 wheat cent. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so because 1958 was the last year that wheat cents were minted, 1950 is very, very close to that time frame. And so for this specific coin, there were over 252 million minted at the U.S. Mint. Now, because the number of well-preserved coins is very, very scarce, a lot of collectors are trying to get their hands on these. Now, if you did not know, this coin weighs 3.1 grams and is 95% copper. If you were to weigh your coin and it said something different, you may have a potential error on your hands. And so, other than it being an error coin, what would make this coin valuable is definitely the condition, guys. Now, I want to show you guys a few sales that happened within a few years of each other, but both sold for thousands of dollars. Check it out. Okay, guys, so not only were these two sales mint state 67 out of 70, they were also CAC endorsed and they had the plus designation on them. And so that makes them even more valuable. But okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with someone, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.